EufyMake has just announced some huge changes to the E1, and if you own one of these printers or thinking about buying one, this could completely change the economics of owning one. Not only have they reduced the ink prices by around 30%, they have also increased the shelf life of the ink, and they're also releasing an update that could cut your print times in half with no hardware upgrade required, and they've even announced a continuous ink system which will be coming later on in the year. Now, all those sound like really nice features, but I don't think that's the exciting part. I think these updates could dramatically increase how much money people are actually going to be making with this machine. So in this video, I am going to break down these updates and explain what they mean in the real world. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you just one product which I do currently sell, which will potentially generate twice as much revenue because of this update. So stick around for that and let's dive in. So here you can see this is the official update from EufyMake. And the first thing they do mention is they have been listening to customer feedback since the release of the E1. And honestly, if you've spent any time like reading comments and posts on like Facebook, Reddit, YouTube videos, you'll know that there's been two things talked about more than anything else. One of those being ink costs, and the second one is being print speed. And those exactly are two of the areas EufyMake has focused on. So let's start with probably the biggest announcement, that's the ink prices. So you can see on the EufyMake website, I will put a link down in the description if you want to check this out yourself. So they've got all prices and everything on there for the ink and the cleaning cartridges, each individual colors as well, also with the white flexibles and the cleaning cartridges. So these are obviously the old prices, and these ones here are the new prices. So you can see it's about a 30% saving on this. But obviously within recent news, there's been similar machines that have been released. Even though the machines are very similar prices, their ink prices on release were quite a bit cheaper. So we can have a look here. So for one of the competitors which have just released a similar machine. So you can see the prices here. The launch price, obviously we just ignore them for now. Just the standard prices, you can see you've got the UV ink, it'll be at $17.99 per ink. And then your varnishes and then your soft and rigid whites and stuff, they've got the prices all there. Obviously the EufyMake doesn't currently support them. So let's have a look at the pricing table on the EufyMake website. So I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check this out yourself. So you can see the ink and cleaning kits. Obviously the current price was $24.99 and the new price is going to be $173.99. Same with each then ink and the cleaning cartridges, whites and varnishes. They were £34.99. They're going to come down to £24.99. So again, it's a massive saving. It's around 30% on there. So they go into how they managed to get these prices down. They would have been working with formulas to obviously carry on getting you a very quality UV ink at an affordable price. And through weeks and weeks and weeks of testing, they've managed to recreate, a product which is just going to be just as good as the current one, but bring those prices down. And obviously with this, we're not going to avoid, the elephant in the room. I think a big part of this is the fact that competitors are coming out now with similar machines, and the prices on those ink sets do seem to be considerably cheaper than what EufyMake's were. But another fantastic update from EufyMake is where they are introducing a subscription service. So if you do subscribe to the automatically delivery service of the inks, again, that's going to drive your prices down even further. So if you're like me, you're doing this as a side project and not a full-time thing, you'd realistically want to be looking at, the 12 weeks or maybe even 8-week subscription service, and that can bring your prices down to just $17.99 per ink. So if we have a look at the competitors' prices, that does match their price exactly. But if you are going to be running this as a full-time business, you are realistically going to want the every 4-week subscription service, and then that brings the inks down to just £15.99, which, considering what the prices used to be, is an absolute massive saving. So this is definitely a massive talking point within the EufyMake community. So not only are they doing constant updates for the machines, which are going to benefit the end user, and they are constantly looking to bring their prices down to even make this a lot more affordable, which means if their ink prices go down, your profit margins go up. Now, something I wasn't expecting is for EufyMake to actually increase the shelf life of their ink. So at the moment, it says the shelf life of the inks is about 12 months. Personally, I think if your inks are lasting 12 months, you're definitely not printing enough. But now instead of the 12 months, they've increased the shelf life to 15 months, which is a lot better, especially for like packaging, shipping and handling, stuff like that. It gives them a little bit more time to actually store the produce and not have so much product go to waste if it does expire before it gets shipped. And another thing I would like to mention is EufyMake hasn't cut corners to reduce cost. So they've kept their Green Guard Gold certification, which means their inks meet extremely strict emission standards. Now, this is something that really got my attention. At the moment, the E1 prints in one direction. So it prints traveling one way, and then as it returns, it doesn't print anything on the way back. With the new software update, this means it prints in both directions, and that means almost no wasted movement. So according to EufyMake's own testing, This print in standard mode went from 18 minutes 34 seconds, and then when switching to the bi-directional mode, the job finished in just 9 minutes 30 seconds. That's almost twice as fast. And remember, this is not a hardware upgrade, this is a software update. So you don't have to do anything to your machines, you're just updating the firmware. So what does this mean for the end user? We'll forget about the technical specs and everything for a minute, and we're just going to talk about money. So I'm just going to show you a glimpse of one of my best-selling products. These are just fully printed on thick wooden boards. When I print on these, they're completely covered, top to bottom, left to right. And I sell these prints for £20 each. At the moment, they're taking about 14 minutes to print. That means in an hour, I can comfortably print 4 of them. So at £20 each, that gives me £80 worth of product an hour. So just imagine if we're able to cut our print time in half. So now that print will take roughly about 7 minutes, which means I can do up to 8 boards an hour. I'll still sell them at £20 each. Now my money's gone from making £80 an hour to £160 an hour. That's £160 of product every hour. And nothing's changed about the product. It's still the exact same product I'm producing and selling. Nothing's changed about the selling price. I'm still going to sell them at the same price. The printer is simply spending more time printing and less time wasting. And that is why I think this is one of the biggest updates EufyMake has released so far. People probably hear, yeah, it's 50% faster. And what I hear 50% faster, I start thinking I can double my output with this machine and start making double the money at no extra cost to me. And because we are all trying to make money with these machines, production speed directly affects our earning potentials. And if that is not enough, I would like to quickly touch upon the high capacity continuous ink system that EufyMake have announced. And this is aimed at the type of people who just like to print in large volumes with these types of machines. So instead of having to constantly switch out the smaller tanks, you'll have larger refill tanks, and then your white inks and varnishes would then be available in 1 litre bottles. So the biggest thing here isn't convenience, it's cost. With the introduction of this new system, EufyMake says it could bring the price of inks down just 10 cents per millimetre, which is a huge reduction even with the announcement of their new lower prices. So I think overall, these are some massive updates from EufyMake themselves. You got lower ink prices, longer shelf life, nearly double the print speed, and the announcement of an upcoming continuous ink system. And that is a very impressive list considering this machine hasn't really been out that long. It is still a very new machine on the market, but it does just show that EufyMake are reading people's comments and suggestions online, and they are taking them on board. It doesn't seem like they're another company who are releasing a similar product to everybody else at a cheaper price and just leaving it at that. I think it's very nice and refreshing for a company to care this much about their customers and continuously look at this system and try and improve it constantly. I'd also love to hear what you think about it. Let me know down below which update you think is going to be best for you, or if you've got any comments, questions, or suggestions of your own, EufyMake will definitely be reading them as well. So again, put them down below if you like. So again, I'll put a link for all these news and updates down below if you want to check them out yourselves. They are constantly releasing news and updates of the machine, so definitely check it out. Or even bookmark the link if you currently own one of these machines. Or if you are interested in purchasing one of these machines, I'll put some affiliate links down below if you want to check them out. They're my own personal affiliate links. And I will also include some promotion codes if you want to get some extra money off. So that's it for today. Some very big news from EufyMake. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe. And I'll shortly be making a video on how you can incorporate this machine with your other machines. So if you've got laser cutters or engravers or 3D printers, and I'll show you just how I incorporate this machine with products that I make and sell. So we'll see you then, guys. Have a good one. Ta-ra now.